Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you some very interesting thing. Suppose very small children, that means class 4, 3, 6, 7, 8 students are there around you. Then if I tell you to talk with them or to deal with the children for some time, that means for 20 minutes or 10 minutes or 30 minutes, then what you will do? My question is that you should deal with mathematics and math magic or mathematica or math phone. That is not actually mathematics, but it is mathematics. Clear? See, if there will be small children in your own family also, then how to deal with them? While seeing the TV, while seeing the film, while seeing the serial, or while you are enjoying anything. So see here, I am going to tell you some interesting things. Already it is known to you and everything known to you, but you do not know those things to deal with the children at a particular time. You cannot recall those things at the time of requirement. Clear? See here. Can you tell me what is the value of 7 square minus 6 square? It is 13. And can you tell me 10 square minus 9 square? It is 19. Can you tell me 23 square minus 22 square? It is 45. Okay, what? See here. I am taking the difference of two consecutive natural numbers. 7 square minus 6 square, and actually its rule is 7 plus 6 into 7 minus 6, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and a minus b is always 1. This term becomes 1. Only you have to take the sum of the bases. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 10 plus 10 is 90, 23 plus 22 it is 45. That's the basic. Clear? So that means in competitive also your pupils are facing, and they are taking this square of 7 and square of 6, and then they are taking the reference. These small things you should remember. Otherwise the time will be over and you cannot do anything. Okay? I have told you, no? You know everything. You know this formula of a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So the difference of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to the sum of the two numbers. Clear? See, another interesting thing I am going to tell you. Do you know the triplets? Triplets means 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4, and so on. Sorry. And if you divide these numbers by their sum of the digits, then what will be the answer? That means 1 1 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, the sum of the digits, it is 3. So what is the answer? Tell me. It is 37. Then this number 2 2 2 divided by 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is 6. Simply, if you will cancel out by 2, it will be triple 1 by 3, same as this one. Clear? 3, 3, 3, divided by 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is 9. Clear? So, divide, cancel out by 3, it will be 1, 1, 1 by 3, which is same as this one, it will be 37. So, all these values will give 37. That means, any triplet divided by the sum of its digits is a constant, and that constant is equal to 37. This is magic or not? Simply it is magic and nothing. And you should know everything. Actually, this is mathematics. You should find out the logic between the numbers, between the digits. Okay, see here. Now, can you tell me another formula like that? Hello? Can you tell me this type of? See here. I am going to tell you multiplication. How to multiply two numbers, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? How to multiply 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? See here. I am taking the little finger at 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this hand also. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? From the little finger you should start 6. You should start 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I want to multiply 6 into 8. How to multiply 6 into 8? See here. This is 6. And this is 6, 7, 8. So touch the 6 of one hand and the 8 of one hand. Clear? And below this, up to this line, how many fingers are there? 4. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is 4. So 4 into 10, it is 40. Clear? And above the line, above this line, how many fingers are there? In this left hand side it is 4 and the right hand side is 2. 4 into 2, it is 8. 8 plus 40, it is 48. Clear? Another question I am going to tell you. 7 into 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 7, 7. 7 into 7. So up to this line, how many fingers are there? 4. So 4 into 10, it is 40. And above the line, 3, 3 is 9. In this finger it is 3. In this hand it is 3. In this hand it is 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 49. Clear? Another go I am taking. 7 into 8. This one is 7 and this one is 1, 6, 7, 8. 7 into 8 I am taking. Clear? So up to this line, how many fingers are there? 3, 4, 5. That means 50. 5 into 10 it is 50. And above the line, in this hand it is 3. There are 3 and there will be 2. So 3 into 2 it is 6. So 56. Clear? So this is mathematical. That means the magic of mathematics. Okay? So simply remember the tricks and play with the small children around you. Just play it. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.